The record for the most female orgasms is 134 in 1 hour. The longer a man's ring finger is compared to his index finger, the more testosterone he has. Women's breasts swell up by almost 20 to 25% during sex because they are anticipating an orgasm. The vibrator, a common sexter for women, was originally designed in the 19th century to fight the anxiety-related symptoms of hysteria. Almost all women need below-the-belt stroking before they're able to have an orgasm, but about 1% can hit a high note simply by having their nipples played with. According to a survey of adults aged 20 to 59, women have an average of 4 sex partners during their lifetime. Men have an average of 7. People who are more open to talking about sex are actually happier with their sex lives. Eating apples can improve your orgasms. There may be more than one G-spot. Most penises are the same size when erect, which is actually 6 to 7 inches. Phallophobia is the fear of a penis. If he finds it hard to stay hard, avoid girl on top, as his penis will be fighting gravity. In Australia, 22% of women have had sex with someone out of sympathy. Having sex frequently increases the quality of a man's sperm. The sex and self-esteem saint has 2 sides. People who have sex feel good about themselves, and people have sex to feel good about themselves. Most women won't gain weight when they use the contraceptive pill. If a woman dresses up to look sexy, it doesn't always mean she wants to have sex. While 75% of men always reach orgasm during sex, only 29% of women report the same. In addition, most women are unable to climax through vaginal intercourse, instead needing clitoral stimulation. When your boobs are fondled with send an instant signal to your brain to release oxytocin. A woman who is sexually active and not using contraception has an 85% chance of becoming pregnant in 1 year. Men with belly fat last longer. Sex improves women's memory. The French are the nation with the biggest average reported penis size at 6.2 inches. Women like to suck the penis of men whose penis is very clean and hard. Cornflakes and graham crackers were created to cure dirty thoughts. Back in the 1800s, AI sex drive was thought to be caused by spicy foods. The make-a-blend diet more appealing. New food products were invented like the cereal and snack we still eat today. The average male loses his virginity at age 16.9. Females average slightly older at 17. A new study shows that genetics may be a factor. Inherited traits such as impulsivity can make a person more or less willing to have sex at an earlier age. If you enjoyed watching this video, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay healthy and safe. Thank you for watching.